And it's pointing all the way up.
The bushfire in Victoria. Can you see that? There's ashes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So high up, I can't really see it.
There. Here.